Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your Microsoft Office is activated. Now, once you're on your PC, simply click the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar and type in any one of the Office applications. So that could either be Word, PowerPoint, Excel. Let's type Excel for example, and we're going to open that. Now, once you have the application open, you will need to look to the lower left hand side and simply click in account. And once you're in account, you will find to the upper right product information. This is going to show you if your account is activated. As you can see, mine is activated right here. And if it's activated, you will see it, but you also have the option to switch license key, which you could potentially do right there. And also, if it's not activated, you can simply go ahead and click on the option to activate it. So once you go ahead and click and activate, you will enter your details here and you'll be able to activate your Microsoft Office. But that's it guys, that's how to check if your Microsoft Office is activated on your Windows PC.